Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. Am I an idiot? No idea what he was even looking at. Red lights are suggestions, right? How not to pass on a one lane? This driver in front stopped with 3 spaces still open ahead, and I didn't leave enough room to safely stop. Let me know how many idiots you counted. This distracted driver on my right decides to go straight and hits the back of my car, but runs away.
What the hell? They just hit and ran.
Should this cop give himself a ticket? This semi-driver almost causes me to crash into the median. Wear your seatbelts. You never know what can happen. Near head-on collision in parking garage. Do you think trucks this size are meant to go under here? Let's hope an ambulance shows up faster than his reaction time. They really needed to get to that stoplight as soon as possible. A driver in front of me cut 3 lanes and slammed their brakes right in front of me.
This is not a fast process. Instead of springing for a nice bolt well suited for the application, I'm using the cheapest power washer I could find at the local hardware store. The instructions didn't say not to run salt water through it. The membrane sits inside this high pressure house.
Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.